was a very challenging year for all of us as we all went through COVID-19 issues. But I must say that government of Ghana has done a wonderful to curtail the situation, and we are really blessed that elections went peaceful, and we are really looking forward for 2021. We will put the COVID behind. Well, there are times, when the industrialists, they have to give back to the society, and I think 2020 was one of the year when the difficult times are there, you have to make sure that you have to find a means, as you rightly said that BFAP Plus didn't fire anyone, rather we went ahead and hired the people. So that is the time we said that we are taking out the activities of extra activities like building a walls for our new project. We were carrying out the new machinery outlets. We are doing the more construction, and at the same time we are trying to see that how we can retain the people. When lockdown was there, we were trying to maintain the people right here within the campus, with the facility for them and giving them 3 meals a day, so that making sure that they don't lose the job. And at the same time, BFAP Plus was also a bit about it that we have to give back to the society. So we gave them a parcel of foods for not only for our workers, but to the entire community here. More than 10,000 families, they were given the basket of food on the monthly. And beside that, other activities also where BFAP Plus involved. I think the most important is that currently, as we see that the oxygen is the most important requirement into COVID-19, and that is where BFAP plays a very important role. From March 2020, we have been giving free oxygen to all government and private hospitals. And we are going to continue that one. 100%. Any hospital, whether it is a government or private, anyone can come, and they can come anytime, 24 hours. So this is the time where we are going out of the box to make sure that whatever the best possible from BFAP Plus group, we can try to support in this difficult time. And as we rightly said that before as well, that we are going to fight this one till we are able to put the COVID behind. So BFAP Plus is going to donate the oxygen free of cost, 100% free of cost, till we are going to put the COVID behind. Well, BFAP Plus, we have done a lot of additional production facilities we have put up. Currently, we are exporting to other West African markets, all the West African market. Now we are in talk with Ministry of Trade and GIPC to please look into it, to see that we are really facing challenges with the neighboring countries where they don't allow, first of all, if you just talk about Ivory Coast, we are not able to export the goods by road. We have to go through the sea. We have to go for the higher expenses, and while we can use ECOWAS route to be transporting the goods. So this is the challenges which we are facing, that some our West African countries itself, they are not accepting ECOWAS. How about African free trade? So I think we will really require, and as I will take to say to African, our secretary for the trade, to please look into this matter on an urgent basis, to see that the really African free trade movement of goods is really working. And for the trial basis, very soon we are going to load some stuff to our neighbor countries and see that how they are reacting to that. Because in the past we have faced the problem, and it is really a challenging issue. Well, we'll say that we are really blessed. BFAP Plus has started rolling off other metal products as well in our new La Pleco plant under 1D1F. So very soon we are going to start some second and third phase as well. So we are looking forward for His Excellency visit very soon, for him to come and inaugurate the first phase fully, which is fully operational right now. And so far, so good. We see that the COVID variation 2 has really hit Ghana a bit hard in this, after the Christmas festive season in the new year. But I think government is doing a wonderful job to control the situation, and we'll request everyone to be making sure that they should be wearing the mask as it is mandatory, unless you are keeping a 6 feet distance like we are keeping, and making sure that all the health ministry guidelines, they are being observed. Well, if you're seen right at the security gate, we check the temperatures, we make sure that we have put necessary guidelines for it. Everybody should be with the mask. We have put different spots, we have put up the sanitizer machines and washing of hands. So we are just trying to educate them time to time to make sure that it is for their own safety, which will bring more sanity into the organization and in their lives as well. These awards we received last year in December time. During that time, I will say it is thanks to our dear hard-working workers. Without them, it would have been not possible where we are standing today. In all these difficult times, our whole workers, they were with us, making sure that BFAP Plus making the maximum output. And not only that, at the same time, management was also behind them, making sure that we are able to produce quality goods at the competitive rates and able to deliver at the doorsteps of every Ghanaian. These awards, they are really reckoned. I will always say that whenever you get an award, it keeps you on the toes. It makes you to do more hard work and move forward in the more positive way. There's one award which we have got, which is for the corporate governance. And I'll put it that way, that it is a very important that today, when any corporate company working, corporate governance has become such an important aspect of business. If you really want to bring in the industrialization, you want to really grow, and you want to really grow as a big organization, so corporate governance is very important. So we received from IOD for the best corporate governance into steel industry for that, so we are very thankful to them. We received another award which was for iron and steel industry award. So from the executive committee for that one also, we are thankful to them. And as 2020 BFAP Plus, as we are into the BFAP Plus Care Foundation, they receive Philanthropist Award. Beside giving for the COVID fund, we are also doing the medical camps, we are into the free education and a lot more. DPSI, we are the promoters of that, and during that time, also DPSI went ahead and gave big discounts to the parents, making sure that they are able to afford the fees in these difficult times.
And the fourth one,
fourth one, I have received the Hall of Fame from Corporate Ghana, that is personally given to me for my contribution into the social activities of Ghana and my philanthropist activities. So I'll say that thank you very much. We will continue doing the good work what we are doing, and these awards are really going to keep us on the toes to make sure to deliver more and more better. Well, steel prices have gone up. If you see currently internationally, 55% steel prices have gone up. It is because of raw material prices have gone up, the consumables price have gone up, the freight charges have really gone up. So I think these are the additional factors, Scrap prices locally, they have really gone up. So I think this is related to the all international market trend. So as Ghana is able to produce more and more steel products in Ghana, we are sure that in the near future, this will be the thing of the past, and we will be able to produce more and more goods made in Ghana, as BFAP Plus is doing. And on this note, I will also request to the government authorities to really look into it. The goods which we are able to produce right here in Ghana, they should be immediately put a ban on cheap importation coming from the Far East and Middle East and other countries. So that, like today, BFAP Plus has put up the West Africa's biggest fabrication plant, but still we see that the exemptions are given for cheap imports for the goods coming into the country, and at the same time they are still allowed for goods to be coming in. We will say that they should be put heavily extra levy of 50%, or it should be completely banned. Surely, at the end of the day, it is not only we are going to generate thousands of employment, but we are going to save millions of dollars of foreign exchange. I think that is the most important thing. Today, we see that currency depreciation is one of our any finance minister's biggest headaches. So I'm sure that our finance minister, Honorable Ken, will be very happy to see that we are able to curtail our foreign exchange bills, and that is possible through producing more and more goods made in Ghana or adding the value to it. So I think BFAP Plus is really looking forward for that, and we really need government support to make sure that we are able to get cheap electricity, consistent electricity, and water, and we are sure that with the government support, we'll be able to make Made in Ghana dream come true for everything in Ghana pretty soon. BFA Plus is always going to deliver the quality steel at the doorstep with a competitive price to every Ghanaian, and not only for Ghana market but also to the West African market. And now with this African free trade, we are sure that there will be a lot more opportunities coming up. So we are sure that BFA Plus is really going to rock and make Ghana proud to be a part of Ghana's success story.